Now we will move to the next exercise 1.4. In that you are going to learn representing real numbers on the number line. See here, real number means what here? All rational and irrational number. Now all rational and irrational number can be represented on the number line. Before in earlier classes what you have learned? In 7th you have learnt integers on the number line. Now in 7th classes you have learnt how to represent integers on the number line. So how will you represent integers on the number line? See, very easy, no? So in between you are having 0 and to the right you are having all positive value and to the left you are having all negative values. To the right positive value, to the left negative value. Have you remember, students? Now next, after that in 8th you have represented rational numbers on the number line. See, rational numbers have you remembered or that also you have forgotten? So again same. Rational numbers means what? P by Q form, and Q should not be 0 here. Again if you want to represent 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2, 5 by 2. So how you remember? This side you are having again negative value. This 2 and 2 get cancelled means this will be 1 here. Here positive 1. See here 3 by 2. Now this year you are going to learn decimal numbers on the number line by successive magnification. Successive magnification means in science lab you have seen that magnification. So from which we can see the small object. Now we will see visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. See. So it is very easy to visualize the number. So these type of questions carries 3 marks here in 9th. Now we will see one by one decimal point here. 3.7 we will see first. Now 3.7 lies in between which number, students? Lies between which numbers? 3 and 4. You should be clear with this. If you are having clear idea about 3.7 is lying between 3 and 4, very easy to locate this 3.7 on the number line in first step. Okay. Now from 3 to 4 we will write 3. After 3 you are having 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, after that 4. 4.0 or 4 both are same. So in decimal places 0 is having no value. Now you are getting 3.7. Now for 3.76, which step we should magnify? For second step, see 3.76 lies between, see, in between 3.7 and 3.8, 3.76 lies, students. Very good. 3.7 and 3.8. Now we will write that first. First here 3.7. After 3.7 you are here having 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.79. After 79 you are having 3.80 or 8. Now next third step. Now we are getting 3.76. Now we want 3.765. See, 765 lies between this 3.76 and 3.77. We will write that first. 3.765 lies between, now 3.765 lies between 3.76 and 3.77. So before that you should join this 3.7. Which number we have visualized here? 3.7 to 3.8. Mark a dotted line here, students. Here 3.8. Now which number we have to visualize here? 7, 6 to 7, 7. Now first point is our 3.76. Afterwards we are having 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765, 3.766, 3.767, 3.768, 3.769, 3.76, 69 afterwards 7, 3.77, 3.77 again. Now which number we want? 3.765, this. Now we will see second question. Visualize 4.26 recurring on the number line up to 4 decimals. See, up to 4 decimals means what we have to represent? 4.2626. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 decimals. So this we have to represent on the number line. Now, first we will see one decimal. See, first place 4.2. So don't get tensed by seeing all these numbers. You have to see only one by one. Now see only one digit. 4.2. Now first step, 4.2 lies in between. 4.2 lies between which number? Students, 4 and 5. Any confusion? No confusion. Now 4, first one is 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9. Now 5 or 5.0, both are same. Now, so once we got this 4.2, which second digit which is 4.26. See, second digit is 6 here, decimal place 2, 6. So now from 4.2 to 4.3 we should magnify here. Second step, 4.26 lies between 4.2 and 4.3. Any confusion? No confusion. Now first you write 4.2. Afterwards 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 4.25, 4.26, 4.27, 4.28, 4.29, towards 4.30, which is 4.3. In decimals, 0 is not having value. Next, see 4.26. See here you are having 4.26. Now again we want 4.262. Third step, 4.262 lies between, see 6, 4.26, 4.27. In these two numbers between you are having 4.262. So that we will magnify here. Very good. Lies between 4.26 and 4.27. We will join this. Okay. Now from 4.26, right, 4.27 we should magnify. .26. Next 4.261, 4.262, 4.263, 4.264, 4.265, 4.266, 4.267, 4.268, 4.269, 4.269. Afterwards 7 here, not 9. After 69 you are having 70. Now 4.27. Now see the next decimal place. See, up to third decimal we got 4.262. See here 262 we are having. Now next which decimal we want? 4.2626. 26, 4.26, again 26 we want. Which in between these two number, that number lies here. Now 4.2626 lies between 4.262 and 4.263. Now first here 4.262. Okay, afterwards 4.2621, 4.2622, 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.2625, 4.2626, 4.2627, 4.2628, 4.2629, 4.2630. 30 or 3 you can write here. Now we will join this. So now 4.2626 where you are having? So this. Understood, students?